So we're dealing with our Porsche 993. We're going to be replacing some of the components, as far as the tyres, drive shaft boots, taking care of some oil leaks. Pretty much come to the end of our road with this project. We've done a lot of work on here. We've done a lot of engine work, done a reseal on the engine. We had the engine and transmission out, so we put a new clutch in there. We took care of any minor issues around the engine that needed taken care of. We've done that. We had the wheels painted. The calipers were repainted as well, and we refurbished the rotors all around. The paintwork has been touched up to make it presentable. The interior has been touched up as well in areas. The other thing that we did, we put a classic radio inside, so that worked out pretty well. Apart from that, I mean, we're pretty much there. We're looking forward to the event coming up. I'm glad we've come close to the end of this project. Keep fingers crossed, hope we do well.